A strong thunderstorm will impact eastern Delaware County at 3:30 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located near Delhi, moving east at 40 mph. Hazard 55 mph wind, gusts. Source radar indicated impact. Gusty winds will blow around tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sullivan County, eastern Delaware County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:40 p.m. a line of severe thunderstorms were located near Stamford. Hazard 60 mph, wind gust. Source radar indicated impact. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Please take cover if in the path of the storm.